Hey kids, let's learn about multiplication today. Stacy is holding 3 ice cream cones. Each cone has 2 colorful scoops.
Yummy ice creams.
Can you guess how many scoops there are altogether? Let's find out. Here we have 3 ice cream cones and each cone has 2 scoops. That means there are 3 groups of 2. Or we can say 3 times 2. 3 times 2 means we add 2 3 times. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 2 gives us 6 scoops in total. 3 times 2 is 6.
3 times 2 equals 6.
Now let's go to the next example. We have 4 baskets and each basket has 3 apples.
They look delicious.
Can you tell me how many apples we have here in total? Here we have 4 baskets and each basket has 3 apples. That means there are 4 groups of 3. Or we can say 4 times 3. 4 times 3 means we add 3 4 times. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Let's do it together. Let's start with 3. 3 plus 3 gives you 6. Add another 3 to get 9. And one more 3 to get 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 4 times 3 gives us 12 apples in total. So 4 times 3 gives us 12.
4 times 3 equals 12.
The trick we used here is called multiplication.
Multiplication.
Multiplication is a quick and easy way to find the total when we have equal groups. Now let's look at another example to understand it even better. Here we have 5 boxes and each box has 2 donuts. Instead of counting the donuts one by one, we can use multiplication. Multiplication is done by taking the number of groups and multiplying it by the number in each group. So, in this case, we have 5 boxes or 5 groups and each group has 2 donuts. The X sign means times or groups of. To find the total, we multiply 5 times 2, which means we add 2 5 times. Let's count together. We start with 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Add another 2 to get 6. Add another 2 to get
8.
Add one more 2, we get
10.
10. That's why 5 times 2 is 10. We are adding 2 again and again. So, we have 10 donuts in total. That's how multiplication helps us find the total faster and easier. Here, we have 3 bunches of balloons and each bunch has 5 balloons. Can you tell me how many balloons there are in total? Let's multiply the number of groups times the number of balloons in each group. So, we have 3 groups multiplied by 5 in each group. That means 3 times 5. So, we add 5 3 times. 5 plus 5 gives 10. Add one more 5 and that is 15. Instead of counting every balloon one by one, we can count by 5s 3 times. Once for each bunch. Let's do it together. 5, 10, 15. We counted by 5s 3 times. 3 times 5 equals 15. That means we have 15 balloons in total. Multiplication means adding the same number over and over again. Let's look at 6 times 2. This means we add 2 a total of 6 times. Let's find the answer. We start with 2. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Add 2 again and we get 6. Then 8, then 10, and finally 12. So 6 times 2 is 12. The easiest and quickest way to start doing multiplication is by skip counting. We count by 2's 6 times. Here we start at 2 and skip count by 2 6 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
We reach the same answer.
6 times 2 is 12.
Now let's look at another example. 5 times 3. We add 3 5 times. This means we have 5 groups of 3. Let's find the total. We can also skip count or count by 3's to make it faster. We skip count by 3 5 times. Start with 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
And we reach 15. Now, let's try 4 times 5. This means adding 5 4 times or 4 groups of 5. Let's add them. Counting by 5's make it even easier. Skip count by 5 4 times. 5, 10, 15, 20. And we get 20. The easiest and quickest way to start doing multiplication is by skip counting. When we keep practicing skip counting, we start remembering the answers. These answers form the multiplication tables. Let's build a multiplication table of 2. To understand the table of 2, let's use something fun, candy. Let's look at the circle. Look at this circle. Inside it, we have 2 candies. That means each circle is one group of 2. Now let's start building the table of 2 by adding more circles. Let's explore this table by starting from one group and going up to 10 groups. Here we have one group of 2, which means 1 times 2 gives us 2. Let's add one more group of candies. Every circle we add will always have 2 candies. No more, no less. So 2 groups of 2 gives you a total of 4 candies. Let's add one more group. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 gives a total of 6 candies. Each time we add another group, we skip count by 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 2 gives us
8.
8. 5 times 2,
10.
10. 6 times 2,
12.
12. 7 times 2,
14.
14. 8 times 2,
16.
16. 9 times 2,
18.
18. 10 times 2,
20.
20. See the pattern? We are just skip counting by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
That's the whole table of 2. Multiplication tables are like quick helpers. It is a quick list of answers that helps us find the total faster. Just like the table of 2 we just learned, every number has its own table. We don't learn them all at once. We learn them slowly, one by one. It helps us get answers faster. It shows what happens when we multiply a number by 1 to 10. Multiplication is based on repeated addition, and skip counting is a quick way to find the answer. Let's learn the multiplication table of 5 using something sweet. Lollipop bunches. Each bunch has 5 lollipops, so every time we add a new bunch, we are adding 5 more. Let's explore this table by building 10 groups, starting from one group and going up to 10 groups. One bunch has 5 lollipops, so 1 times 5 is 5. 2 bunches have 5 plus 5, that is 10 lollipops. So 2 times 5 is 10. 3 bunches give us 15 lollipops. So 3 times 5 is 15. 4 bunches make 20 lollipops. So 4 times 5 is 20. 5 bunches gives us 25 lollipops. So 5 times 5 is 25. Because every time we go to the next number, we are just adding 5 more. Let's keep going. 6 times 5 is 30. 7 times 5 is 35. 8 times 5 is 40. 9 times 5 is 45. 10 times 5 is 50. This is the table of 5. The table of 5 is one of the easiest multiplication table to learn.
Why?
Just keep count by 5s and you get the table of 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
There you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot today. Bye.
Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.